2023, 24, 25 CX50 oil life reset. All right, so go ahead and hit the home button that you have right here on the console. You're going to be using the home button and the dial here. And then go to your radio, and at your radio, hit home, scroll up to info, hit enter, vehicle status monitor. Okay, yeah. Normally these are kind of set with time and date, okay, but you can see the mileage right there. We're going to reset that, go down to vehicle settings, reset oil change, and reset, okay. And that'll reset you back to 5,000 miles, okay. So the next service here, what we can do is set the date if you want. And that's it. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. That like button for me, leave me a comment.